I thought about how much there has been a change in public service in my life, and a deep change in my beloved wife. And so was the change with all of us. Sometimes it looked fruitful, and unfortunately, it didn't. I felt a lot of political thoughts and actions that our reasonable wrong conscience of trying to hide knowingly. This year is a time of tremendous upheaval, and many fortune tellers are predicting it. With the eyes of wisdom to see the future, prepare enough time and start at the same speed as light if you have made a decision. I sincerely hope this year will be a wise one for me and everyone. Subscribers, I love you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, I'd like to subscribe. Click